The winner has no idea. We just received the name. And we have a phone number and we have their details. We are going to call that person. They have no idea this beast of a car has got a new home and that they're the grand prize winner. It's 2:16 West Coast time.
Oh, you caught me at a time where I'm away from my phone.
Okay, so we have put in call 1. It appears to have gone straight to voicemail.
We're gonna call this winner 2 more times.
Hello, you caught me
Straight
at a
to
time where I'm away from my
voicemail. Maybe he's on a plane. Maybe he's on the other line. Maybe he's on the other line, and now he's ready for us to call.
Hello, please leave a brief message in your name.
It went straight to voicemail. One more call. We're calling.
Hello.
4 calls in and a text message. We're gonna cut. We're gonna attempt to track down grand prize winner, and we will share some more details to come as we find more information. What's going on, Freedom Street Garage? Johnny here, back with another installment of Grand Prize Winner.
Lindsay here from Freedom Street Garage.
So what are we doing here today? Today we are attempting to make contact with FSG10 winner, Adrian Olvera. Adrian Olvera in Texas is the potential Grand Prize winner. If we can get him on the horn and let him know the good news that he's won himself a Camaro and $10,000 cash. FSG10. Ready?
Grand Prize Package.
Thing is amazing. Exciting day. We'll see if we can get Adrian on the horn, make this thing official. So this is a FSG10. This is a redraw. This is a first for us. A redraw for the Grand Prize, potential Grand Prize winner. Because last week on Wednesday, our original Grand Prize winner, we got a name from Compliance Sweepstakes Services. And from Wednesday to Thursday to Friday into the weekend and Monday, we were unable to get in touch with that winner via phone, email. We texted, we called place of work, we called brother's place of work. I think we called mom, who knows. We tried everything we could to get a message to this guy, and to no avail. We were unable to get in touch with them. After 3 calendar days, which is what our official rules states, and speaking with our compliance attorneys, we actually let it go 5 days. After 5 days, we were unable to make contact, hence the redraw. Compliance Sweepstakes Services sent us a note this morning with redraw potential winner, now grand prize winner, Adrian Olvera out of Texas. He has no idea we're calling. It's mid-afternoon, Texas time. I feel good about it.
I do too. I think he's gonna answer it first call.
First ring, first call, first call.
First call.
First call.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hello?
Hey, good afternoon. Could I speak to Adrian Olvera, please?
This is him.
Hey, Adrian, this is Johnny from Freedom Street Garage. How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah? Hey, so I'm sitting here in the office with Lindsay, and we're sitting here at my desk, and we're actually calling grand prize winners of FSG10, the Camaro ZL1 and $10,000 cash.
Yeah.
Adrian, we're calling you because you are that grand prize winner. You've won yourself a Camaro ZL1 and $10,000 cash.
No way. No, that's no.
Good afternoon. How we doing? How's the afternoon?
Pretty good. Well, it's 2 o'clock where I'm at right now in Texas. Yeah, 3 o'clock in Texas. Oh my gosh, no way.
Congratulations. This is real. I don't know if you've been following us on Instagram. We chose a winner last week. We were unable to get in touch with that grand prize winner after 5 days. Compliance Sweepstakes Services sent us a new name this morning. This morning I opened up my email and it said, congratulations, Adrian Olvera. You are grand prize winner, FSG10, Camaro ZL1, and $10,000 cash.
Yeah. No.
I like
oh
it.
my gosh.
Let that sink in for a minute. Take a few minutes, have a laugh, have a smile.
I I saw y'all's post about it, seeing the new winner, and I was like, oh, there's another chance.
There's another chance, and you, my friend, are that grand prize winner. Congratulations. It's pretty awesome.
No way.
Yeah, this is real, man. Congrats. So, I mean, there you have it. So,
all right, well, where do we go from here?
yeah, so what happens next is as soon as we get off the phone, and this is my number, so save this, and I'll be talking to you a bunch in the next couple days, and I'll give you a ring this afternoon too. But we will contact Compliance Sweepstakes Services. They're our compliance partner who randomly picked you. We'll let them know that we've made contact. I guess I'll ask, you do want to be the winner, correct? To
Yes,
confirm?
yes, I do.
Okay. All right, we'll just ask, just making sure. I will let him know. I'm going to let Don know that we've made contact with you and that you are interested in becoming grand prize winner. He's going to then mail you. He's going to overnight you some documents, and we can follow up about this later. But the documents are basically just going to say that you accept the prize, that you wish to be the winner. You sign those and return those to Don. Don then lets us know that it's now official. And once it's official, we'll work to get you out here if you want. Usually we like to fly the winner out to San Diego. You can come see the shop, meet the team, hang out, take the Camaro for a couple test drives. It's your Camaro then, so you can do whatever you want with it. But take it for a few rips around San Diego. We'll put you up for a night or two and then fly you back to Texas. And then we'll put the car in a trailer and get it shipped out to you so it can go to its new rightful home with you down in Texas.
Wow. Okay. All right. Sounds great.
So, Adrian, I saw that you made a purchase on our, I think through Instagram, you made a purchase on our website.
Yeah.
So it was, I think, end of November. It got delivered early December. So, I don't know. I hope you liked your products before.
Oh no, I love them. The laser lighter, the knife, and the bottle opener comes real handy.
There you have it. So a couple items: bottle opener, a knife, and a lighter. And now you're about to come pick up a Camaro ZL1 and $10,000 cash to go along with those original products.
That's amazing. That's awesome.
Are you familiar with the Camaro ZL1? Have you watched any of the videos to see how bad this thing is?
Yeah, I've seen it. It's so badass. Love the color of it, the way it is, how it sounds.
Good.
Gosh.
Good. Well, you'll get to know it a lot more here soon when we hand you the keys and that baby's yours. So I look forward to you having some fun in it.
All right. Awesome.
Cool. Well,
Thank
hey,
you
Adrian,
so much.
Congratulations, man. It's pretty awesome. Congratulations for being FSG winner number 10. And you got yourself a new Camaro and $10,000 cash.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You got it. I'll give you a call here this afternoon just to give you some more details. I'll send you an email. And again, this is my number. So congratulations. And I'm sure we'll be talking to you soon, and we'll see you soon too.
All righty. Thank you.
You got it. Thanks. Okay.
That was good. First call.
Okay.
First.
Call. That's nice. That's nice. Adrian was excited. That's good. There you have it. So we're going to handle some paperwork on our end. We'll get some signatures to make it official. We'll then start planning a trip. I didn't confirm that he wanted to come out, but I'd assume we'll be able to get him out here, and we'll introduce him at the shop, let him take some rips, and then we'll send that thing on home with him, and he can take it around Texas cruising.
If you guys are familiar with the channel, you know that we are currently running a 2022 Hellcat Widebody Challenger plus $10,000 cash, and we want you to be winner number 11. So click that link below, shop the merch shelf. Any product on the site will get you entries, and we hope to see you guys winner number 11.
There you have it. Freedom Street Garage, thanks for the support. Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats, Adrian, and we look forward to seeing you.
See you soon.